Hello friends, today we're going to show you how to fix an oil leak on a Honda overhead valve lawnmower engine. GCV160.
Remove the four 10mm bolts, and then this isn't like a lot of small engines. There's no cork or fiber gasket on the backside. It's held on with RTV sealant, and they put a lot on. It's meant to last and not leak. The thing is, it's not actually leaking from around the gasket. It's leaking from a little arm O-ring underneath. And you need a couple of pry bars, maybe a small one, a medium or big one, and we need to get behind the lip here somewhere where we're not going to break anything or bend something too much. I put my pry bar right here on the carburetor side, got a hold of it and twisted, and it came loose. That was pretty easy. I thought it'd be harder. So we're going to pull that the rest of the way off, and we're going to seal this up. But the vast majority of the time these things are actually leaking under here. There's an O-ring.
Here's the view from underneath. You can see the edge of the O-ring sticking out from around the shaft. And this is the timing gear and timing belt, which is held in place by a pin shaft that goes all the way through. What we're going to do is push down on the top of it till it pops out the bottom, and then we can get a small screwdriver or pick tool onto that shaft and pull the O-ring off. I put the part number here on the screen, and I'll put it in the description of the video. But I bought this kit at Harbor Freight. It has a bunch of different measuring O-rings in it.
The size we're going to need is 6.8 by 1.9. It should be this one right here. Once we have it in place, we're going to push the shaft back upwards and until you hear it snap into place. And you look on top, you can see it sticking out again there over on the top edge, right where we need it to be. You see right at the tip of my screwdriver there how far it tips up into the opening there. We've already thoroughly cleaned the surface of the valve cover. Got all the old RTV off. And now we're going to clean off the little bit of RTV gray that's still here on the mating surface. We'll apply some fresh black silicone RTV and make an instant gasket for it. And with that, you don't even need to let it cure or set or anything. You can put it back into service immediately. The best way to get the old gasket material off of there is with a scraper, either a flat blade, razor blade, if you're careful not to gouge up the mating surface. At Ford, when we clean these kinds of surfaces up on transmissions, we would use a medium wire brush along with some detergent spray like 409 or Fantastic, something like that, that'll help cut the goop and keep it from flying all over the place. Scrape it down or brush it down real good, and then very carefully wipe it off with a real clean rag. You gotta be careful on the edges of these machine surfaces. Those edges can be really sharp, and it's very easy to cut your finger. You also want to make sure you don't let any debris fall into the valves. You don't want to get any, clogged valves or anything like that. And now we're ready to apply our RTV to the pan head side and put it back together. You can follow along okay, and that I did a good enough job for you to see how to do it yourself. I'm pretty sure you can, because it's really one of the easier jobs I've done on a Honda. And really, it's the only negative thing I've ever seen on a Honda design. It's a little bit of a pain to have to change that O-ring once in a while, I suppose, when it could have been done a little bit differently. Well, thanks for watching, and check out my link to the HIPA page on Amazon. HIPA's a sponsor of mine. They sell a wide range of lawn and garden supply parts for just about every make, model, and brand of equipment out there. Really good quality aftermarket carburetors and other replacement parts when you need something. If you can't find it quick at your local retailer, which is what I always recommend, go ahead and check out the HIPA site either on their internet or on their Amazon account. Good quality parts, shipped fast, with a great guarantee. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and bye for now.